No, I was fighting whoever.
Alright, everybody, let freaking Chase. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Give me that freaking seat, please. Give me 2 minutes.
Oh, please, I actually want to see
Thank
this.
you. Y'all
I
are
actually wanna
wonderful boys.
Oh, I see
Right here. Alrighty. So, okay, right here. I am not faster than Mach 1.75. I'm hitting 450 knots, flaps 1 geometer off. The thing about that is that I can pull way harder and way faster. Like he's pulling down, I'm pulling up. I'm already almost nose all the way around, and boom, nose on. Right there. 450, flaps 1, just pull the stick back. Nose on, I get the kill there. I can't find a decent example of it right now, but basically, okay, so a 1 circle merge is going to be when y'all both come in and both of your noses go towards each other. So you're just trying to pull your nose as fast as you can around. So it's called what's called an angle fight, because you want to try to pull the most angle that your plane can to get your nose on first. But a 2 circle merge is where both of y'all turn towards each other's tail. And this is called a rate fight. So in a rate fight, you want to hit your rate speed. The 26's rate speed is right around 250 knots. And you just want to try to hit 250 knots because you'll actually, your circles might be the same size, but you'll be actually coming around your circle faster than the other person, which eventually will give you a shot for nose on when they're not all the way around their circle yet. What's the max speed you can what?
You can go where you don't have to like worry about pulling your wings off, right? With the G-limiter.
450 knots.
That's
That's
just going too fast.
what I'm doing. Incline, I'm just trying to keep up my ears. So I slow down eventually to that merge speed. Wig is just way too fast and ends up. That's a good example. Right there, perfectly merge speed. You're still fast again. So I whip my nose around. My friend.
You can whip the wings off your plane, and you can your
missiles I'm able to
fall off.
see how small and fast I'm able to pull.
Gs.
I noticed that you're fast, so I'm just gonna outweight you. I'm gonna start turning to jink your shots. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna overshoot because you're just too fast, you can't slow down. So I roll into you and you're gonna be out in front of my nose. So right there, I should have had a kill. It's a skill issue. I reverse it again to roll right back into you and you're still too fast. So I'm just out in front and I just get the kill there. The problem a lot of y'all are having is y'all are merging. Y'all are coming into the turn way too quickly. And so you're not able to actually stop from overshooting because you're just way too fast.
Yeah, I keep
so
doing that
that's
with
the
this
ideal
octane.
y'all are running into. 450.
What's
So
the
as long
ideal
as you hit 450,
Okay, 450.
knots, you should be good.
450. G limiter off.
Yeah, 450, flaps 1, G limiter off.
Oh yeah, godly, look at that, Roman.
Right here.
They want you bad, bro. Look.
I'm honestly surprised I survived so long.
The thing is, I saw him here, and me and Arthro were like on top of each other, so I didn't actually realize Arthro was there. So I was just gonna merge with them and just be like, all right, we're just gonna run it with this guy. So I get nose on, I'm pulling around. I get up, so this is exactly what I'm talking about as well. See here, I'm at my merge speed, he's too fast, so I'm able to just pull a tighter circle, so I'm gonna get nose on. But then Arthur is also there, and then Multor is also there, and I'm like, okay guys, don't worry about it, I'll get him. And then he pulls into this valley, and I just clip him.
Yeah, I caught one of you in the valley too, but I ran out of ammo. I literally chalked you down, and I ran out of ammo. That was you, Creeper?
No, it's terrible.
Yeah, and I ran him down bad,
Hold on,
bro.
where was this?
I want to say early game maybe. But you'll find it. Like I literally, he literally made me follow him into the mountains and everything, and I just couldn't get him. Right there, is that it right there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
Tito, yeah. Zoom, yeah. Look at this. I'm on it. I'm out of ammo though.
Zoom in, boy.
Like look.
That boy's zooming, boy.
Look,
Holy.
he's barely getting away.
Yo, King, that merge is kind of Yo, this merge is kind of lit, except y'all are both way too fast, bro.
Wait,
That's a 2 circle, right?
Well,
wait.
So this is that's a 2 circle.
I'll let it go. Let it go off. Let it play again. I want to see this.
Yeah, but King. Oh, actually, hold on. What speed did you start actually turning at? Cause it.
0.9.
You were still way
Going,
too fast.
going
You're about 9.
Both of y'all were at
Mach
0.9.
0.9 is way too fast. It doesn't matter what speed you bring it down to. Oh, honestly, it doesn't really matter too much.
Wait, can you do a Cobra?
Yeah, you can.
No, you
I
can,
sort
you
of did.
definitely
I
can.
did not
Oh,
do it
shit, really?
successfully. So
Bro, how
this
do
guy
you
was
even
on my
get
6
these on
o'clock,
there?
so I was trying to close our separation.
What?
So I knew I was cooked
Where'd
here.
you get a
I
plummet?
jinked a couple shots, and then I thought our separation
shit,
was small enough that I leveled
I don't
out,
have a
and I
Steam
turned off my
profile
flight
picture?
control, and I pulled really hard so that he would possibly overshoot, and he just slowed down and followed me up. He just got nose on fast enough. So one more thing about general dogfighting, if y'all merge, so everyone look at my hands real fast, if y'all merge and you decide on a 1 circle merge and y'all are both just doing a 1 circle and someone switches it around and starts doing a 2 circle, whoever switches the circle or like rotates off the circle is always going to be at a disadvantage in this game.
I
There
noticed
technically
that.
are situations where it can work, but if you reverse your turn, you're basically always dead, no matter what. What's up?
I kind of forgot what's the difference
can't-
between a 1 and 2 circle.
So one circle fight, let me